Hi guys, today we are going to see how to do brush calligraphy with domes brush pens. These are one of the most popular brush pens available in India. They are large, soft, stiff brush pens and usually come as set of 26 brush pen for INR 400 rupees. So brush calligraphy has 8 basic strokes. They are the upstroke, the downstroke, underturn, overturn, compound curve, oval, ascending loop and descending loop. A combination of these basic strokes. Let me demonstrate that. I can write this A as a combination of an oval, a downstroke, followed by an upstroke. Similarly, you can write all the other letters as the combination of these basic strokes. Let me show you how to write B. A to Z. And this is C. The dome spread tips are very good for beginners to practice. These are perfect for you. I would recommend using domes brush pen, and you can also use Camlin brush pen. Now I am writing M, then N, O, then P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now let's write some words. I am writing caramel here. So this is all about doing calligraphy with domes brush pen. I hope you find this video helpful. Please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye. Meet you in the next video.